Hi, my name is Nicholas Tiemel and I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba. The reason that I needed a fence is because my old one was twice my age and in desperate need of replacement. I went through the process of trying to get a new fence with Wallace Wallace. That started with a little bit of email correspondence back and forth. Bryson did a good job of measuring the lot and knowing what might be needed. He was very proactive in reaching out to Hydro to pull where electrical wires were running and where natural gas might be running. On my end, that involved a little bit of negotiation with my neighbors, letting them know that, hey, I'm looking at finally replacing this old thing. Let's see if we can work together to get this done. When they were happy with that, I went back to Bryson and we put together a final quote. And after that, all it took was just setting a date, and here we are. The reason that I chose to go with a black chain link fence was because A, I needed something that I could be sure would keep a dog in, and B, I wanted something that was more modern, a little bit on the discreet side, something pleasant to look at, and honestly something that would be nice for the next person that eventually owns this home.